Hey guys, today I want to show you how to change the fuel filter on a Mercedes C-Class from W203 generation. So first step is to lift the back of the car on jack stands and make sure that it stays safely lifted. In my situation, I remove the wheel to have a better view and lighting for the camera, but obviously you don't need to do so. Quick tip: when you lift the car on jack stands on the driver's side, make sure that you won't catch the plastic cover, which you'll need to remove to get access to the filter. The fuel filter on this car is located on the driver's side. Here is the back left wheel and there is a fuel filter. So now with a 10mm I'm going to undo all the bolts which holds this plastic cover in place. There are actually nuts, plastic nuts. One is out. I think it's gonna be enough. It's gonna give me enough clearance to the fuel filter. The intervals of changing the filter on this particular car are between 30,000 miles and up to 50,000 miles, really depending on the quality of the fuel you are using and how clean is it. Anytime you want to work on fuel related parts of a vehicle, you must depressurize it in order to avoid heavy spills of fuel. So first step is to take out the fuel pump fuse, then start the car and let it use the pressure from the fuel lines, and you can as well depressurize the fuel tank by opening the cap. Now on the fuel filter there are two fuel lines on each side. Those two on the right are coming from the fuel tank and fuel pump. So before removing the lines, make sure that you mark them or remember where they will connect on the new filter. Those two lines on the left are two retour lines to the engine, and one is thicker than the other, so it will be impossible to mix them up. Also observe that on the left side of the filter there is some sort of indentation which make it easier to recognize and install the new filter correctly. So depending on what type of hose clamps you have, use a screwdriver and pliers to undo them and have prepared some container to catch any potential spill. Try to not puncture the fuel lines and slowly wiggle them out of the filter, and again mark them, at least those two on the right on the passenger side, since they have the same thickness. After all the lines are off, you can use a T25 to open loose the bracket and remove the old filter. To install the new one, I will use some new hose clamps since the old ones were rusted, so check out first and make sure that you'll be able to tighten back the fuel lines once you remove them, otherwise you'll be stuck in a parking spot. Once the filter is in position, go ahead and place back the fuse and the fuel pump relay if you remove it, and start the car. Now with the car running, you gotta look for leaks. Have a look on all the connections where the pipes are. Alright, so now once everything looks okay, there are no leaks, I can place back the cover. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And if you are new to this channel and you like cars like me, make sure that you subscribe, stay tuned. And until next time, drive safe and I will see you soon.